Today, we're unboxing and checking out the FastLink 4G Wi-Fi router. This little device promises to turn any 4G SIM card into a portable Wi-Fi hotspot. Let's see what's inside. Alright, let's dive in. Lifting the lid. The first thing we see, quickie user manual and the router itself, inside protective cover. A Ethernet cable packed with transparent cover to connect desktop or wired device using Ethernet port. A wall plug DC adapter to power on 4G router. This router supports 4G SIM and 5G Wi-Fi network up to 600 megabits per second speed, along with for Ethernet port 1 port can be used as normal router as well as 4G SIM router. This looks like a perfect solution for travelers, students, remote workers, or just as a reliable backup internet source at home. If you found this first look helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe channel to get more unboxing. Thanks for watching.